guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can change the server on Ome TV. So to change the server, you're just going to go to the country and you're going to select the country you want to change it to. For instance, let's go to Luxembourg. Then you're just going to select start and it's going to hopefully change the server you're in. But that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. That's how you can change servers on Ome TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me. Okay, hopefully this video worked out for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Goodbye.